Let me show you all of the touch gestures available on Sony WF-C510. So first we need to open a sound control app by Sony on the smartphone device that is currently connected with our earbuds. Then there's a quick setup you will need to finish before you can actually check those gestures. So now we can see it. We need to scroll down, enter device settings and go for a system. Then there's the change the button functions. We want to click on the gear icon. That way we'll be able to see each gestures for the left and right earbud. Now you can go for a function for each of them and switch between 3 presets. If you don't want any gestures, you can select not assigned. If you want to use them, then there's a playback control and ambient sound control with quick access. So for each of those also there's preset actions with gestures that you need to perform. So currently we're at the left one, so what you need to do is click once, in this case to turn on and off ambient sound, press 2 times like this to actually it's not assigned, and press 3 times if it is also not assigned in this options, but if you go for a playback control then you will see more options. There's also long press, and in this case it would turn on our Google Assistant. If you press on it 4 times, then you can lower volume if you're using playback control. And on the right one there's the same thing, but here that we have a raise volume, and that is basically everything.